Hello, it's Rochelle, your 100 gardener again. This video will be short, this time short, because I was missing in action from doing these videos. I forgot I auto sync. I don't really know what to record, although yes, I'm doing the gardening, but I am still out of sync. So I'm asking you, please help what you would like to see on this channel. As I say, I'm doing vlogs, gardening, talking about God's ways and love. But what else you would like to see? I would like to start back visiting gardens. My husband is willing to carry me as usual, but you know, he's a bit still tentative of me, what you say, being on rough terrain. But the same way I could be in a car with all the potholes in Barbados, I could be in a garden too. Then the next thing I need your help doing those videos, especially, takes a lot of money and gas and other problems we are having. You know, it is a bit hard, not trying to quote anything. As you say, if you like what you're seeing, my PayPal is in the description. Again, you do not have to, but at this point, anything will help. I need your help to keep this channel alive. It will take me some time to get back in the groove. 6 months is a long time, yeah, of not being active and consistent and everything else. Then I think my some videos I will show my face. Yes, my face. I will show my face with some videos now, instead of just the gardening or vlogs. When I'm talking about God's word and his love, his faithfulness, or his grace, yes, you're going to see the grace and the mercy that God shows me every day. I wanted to share this with you. I went to the heart department, the cardiologist, and yeah, they say although my test came back good, or my big veins are well, it might be my small veins or nerves, whatever, to my heart, but they don't know what it is. I do not know why it happened, and unfortunately they say I will have to be I will have to be on those medication for the foreseeable future. But in Yeshua's name, I will get off of this medication. I will. But I'm still thankful for man-made medicine. It works when it works. So that was the bad news that I got, but I am still okay with it. I hope you will enjoy this weekend and do something that will, gladden your heart and bless some others, because you will be blessed as well. In Barbados is crop over, what you say, carnival, and that will be on Monday, but we're partying from now. So Barbados got a lot of noise, music, and reveling. Of course, I do not partake in anything like that, but this is everyone is in a festive mood. So I want you to have a weekend that is blessed and spirit filled and building. I want to leave one Bible verse with you, and it's so powerful, it's so accurate, it is, we need it. And that verse is from 1 Corinthians 15:58. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be ye steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord. For so much as you know that your labor is not in vain in the Lord. Just know, once you're doing it for the Lord with the right heart posture, you're not doing it to look good in others' eyes, but it will be pleasing to the Lord. Just do it. Don't shy away. The Lord is too gracious and merciful. As the word says, we are only here because the Lord ain't reward us what we deserve because of our sins, but what? His mercy, and grace. It is abounding. This is what I wanted to leave with you, and to know the Lord is good. Until we meet again, believe in the Lord, follow the Lord, and keep planting.